and gentlemen, welcome to Disruption!
We understood that small businesses in Australia were hugely impacted by digital disruption. But we also knew that we didn't have to be victims of disruption, but we in fact could be party to the opportunities this change of digital disruption brought us.
The private business environment that we work in every day is one that's vibrant, full of innovation, and despite what is said in the press sometimes about how well the economy is doing or not doing, it's incredibly resilient, and I think it's the key to the future of Australia.
There are so many opportunities open to businesses who are prepared to take that next step. Businesses that embrace technology, they take that next step, they're 50% more likely to increase their revenue. The benefits go on and on and on.
In today, there is unprecedented opportunities for us. What's holding us back is not the economy. If we empower ourselves with the right knowledge, the strategies, we can create our success.